Hello YouTubers, today I want to talk about the Light My Fire fire knife. The Light My Fire knife is a small knife made by Mora for Light My Fire. And the blade on this one is made from stainless steel. And it has a nice sharp spine, making it work good with the ferro rod. What makes this knife interesting is it has a ferro rod built into the handle. Just twist the cap and pull, and there's your ferro rod. And if you wear out the ferro rod, replacements are available on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.